Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we continue working on the PubSub. In the last video, we have done so far so good to make a WebSocket and connect to the server and receive and send some methods. I opened the project in my WebStorm, and we actually have two folders. It's client side and server side. On the client side, we are using Webpack to compile an ES6 coding into dict format and can be used on the native C JavaScript. And once we make change on the file and struct file index, it can be automatically compiled into the ES file and can be used in HTML. So get back to the project. I'm open my terminal and change to the server side. First thing, need to start server cd server and npm run tab and development mode. So the server side listen on port 3001, and this means you want port for our WebSocket server port. So next step, go open change to client and npm run start to begin to development mode for client. Cool, it's done. Now before to continue, I will need to refactor some code on my client side. Let's see what we have done in last video. We have a window unlocked for testing when the document is ready, and we open new client and we call the connect. So my idea is the one I don't want to call connect. I want to do is first parameter is a URL and next parameter equal option. So we can call URL equals something like this. Call URL equal WebSockets. And if you can you should add TTS file, HTTP add and can be WebSockets add. And otherwise can be like this. WebSockets localhost port 3001 and exactly URL and option. Like this, we can do auto connect connect equal to and like that, and maybe auto reconnect equal to like that. So this is option. And now get back to our PubSub client class. So we need to pass two parameters. The first thing is URL and option. So option we can set by default some kind of connect to and reconnect equal to something like that. Alright, so when we have this, we can do store setting. Right, this dot URL equal URL, this dot option equal option. So when we do this, if this dot option and this dot option dot reconnect, it's connect. This means we automatically auto connect to the server side, and we can call this connect. And currently we have a callback function, but my idea is you don't want to pass any callback. So now get back to connect function. We got callback. I don't want to callback anymore. Let's send and remove this. Our aim is apply and callback. We don't need any callback. So when we arrow, we can do set this connected equal 4, and we may have a sum on close equal console log connection is close, and we can do that connected equal 4, and we may need so we may like to do add auto connect later. Same thing for error. So we may need to do it later, not for now. Okay, so one again another runner query. So we can send a method. Like take a look at this function. Knowledge function will send a method. So we need to move the method inside this. We need to convert the method into string from object into string and send it to the server side. And otherwise we can keep method track as object for later. Now, cool. Okay, so far so good. So we got it. Let's see, we got URL equal so parameter URL. So let again we have connect WebSocket URL. We use it, and now we don't need anymore. Remove this. So that's the connect function. It should be exactly this underscore URL. Okay, so console log connect equal server. Now remove this. Need to send run the query. We may run the query after send action me. Okay. Alright, so far so good. Now let's back to Windows tab. I don't want it to this anymore. Console log loss. We will keep our console later. So we don't need to call the PubSub anymore. So we can remove that. And by simply window PubSub.connect with option and client, we may copy URL right here. So keep short curl and the option. Now we don't need this. So basically we need to call PubSub.subscribe to a topic. For example, course topic equal page name equal ABC, and we surprise topic name. And when we got a message from this topic, we make console log. I got a message from topic. So basically, we do this about topic, topic name, and here is the message. Okay, so we can do another function by public message. The message to topic. By simply can call PubSub.public to topic name, same topic, and with a method from like this example we do with title hello subscriber in the topic right page ABC, and another parameter in the field, for example body. Okay, body should be how are you, like that. This is question. Cool. So when we send a message to this message will be sent to server side, and server side will be sent back to all subscriber who are subscribing this message. So the first we need to uncomment this, and we need to implement the subscribe first. We call listener listen like that. So I want to do send to the server with message. So let's do it by this.send. The message should be like this. Action should be our subscribe and payload. Subscribe with payload equal topic. Topic name equal topic. Should be from parameter. Okay, so when we send the message to server side, let's open up the server in the PubSub. Okay, so we don't need to here remove this send action public ID send ID. Okay, so we don't need it anymore. we automatic listen automatic slug and handle receive message. So I want to put some kind of command handle receive client message. Alright, so message from client. No, remove this. So we got action equal from message and action. In this case, we send a message with action surprise. So let's copy that. Okay, so let's copy out and we need to make a new k equals surprise. So what we are going to do is so how do we store all subscriber into, and then we can send later. And another way, k equal public. So we do something. So we need to do handle add this subscriber. Okay, and another k handle to do handle send the message to all subscriber. So that we need to do. So in the case subscriber and then public. Now get back to public. We got action equal public with topic name and the method. And here is server side. So alright, so I'm going to make a new function. This dot handle add subscriber. Add subscriber. Okay, maybe this. That. So first we got the topic and client ID. So how do we got a topic? And so we do like this, called topic equal get you to load that function, because you know when we send from client in topic should be message.payload and dot topic. It should be like this. It should be like message dot payload dot topic. But I don't want to verify an undefined parameter, so we can do just load that math better and message and payload and topic. So the default can be an empty topic. Okay, so we may need to verify this if topic, and then we call handle add subscriber or handle add subscription like that with topic and client ID. So default is no. Okay, so we don't need to create any function. Let's copy the function name and going to do this by should be the first parameter equal topic and client ID. I think we need to do equal from ID and client ID. Maybe an outer and client ID. And finally, okay, topic. Okay, handle add subscription. Okay, so we do this handle equal this binding this function. So we call it so from ID. From ID should exactly e client ID. it adds subscription and client ID. So I don't think we need to from this subscriber ID, client ID. So need to remove this. Equal subscriber. So idea is I want to. I don't think we can use the same file. I want to do equal this. Add a new file. Subscription. Let's say yes. Export default class. Subscription. We can pass some kind of parameter right here, but I'm not sure. So add when we add, we should be set topic and client ID, maybe an option. Okay, payloads. Add and remove the ID and clear. So that is a tree function, and we get subscriber subscription. Get subscription by topic name pick. Right. By topic name, and should be return all subscription, and get subscription by ID, or even we can do by get function as ID and return exactly subscription. So here we do is this dot subscription array. So alright, so now I'm going to do equal new map and user input immutable import map go from immutable. So subscription, it can be a new map. So I want to do, and we need to do import. Let's see, in our UID, copy that. So author ID should be return UID. So we generate a new ID. So when we add new ID, so we do like this: topic name course ID equals this author ID. Now I'm going to do this dot subscription dot set ID with payloads. Exactly, payloads. So payload, it can so what we add topic and payloads. What's about topic? Okay, so and when we return ID, return subscription ID and topic this dot topic equal new map. So the topic, it can be topic's name. It can be, okay, so let's see topic and topic subscription. For now I want to set the payloads. Okay, so let's do this. We may not need topic anymore, so you can do for now. Make it temporary. Should be param cost subscription by topic equal topic and payloads equal payloads. I don't think so. I think client ID. So topic and client ID is client ID, and thrice equal, so default is WebSockets. So maybe you can do thrice WebSockets, thrice equal thrice. So we may have a more type like email, phone, subscription by email, by phone. But later, for now, we can just send into via WebSockets. So get subscription like that. And we return exactly a subscription ID. Now let's put some comma right here. Add new subscription. Okay. And return subscription. You can do by this. Return the subscription gets by ID. It can be null or right. Later and remove a subscription. So basically, we can do the dot subscription dot equal the dot subscription dot remove by ID, and says need to do the dot subscription equal and set clear. So we can call the dot subscription equal the dot subscription dot clear everything, and get subscription by topic. We can return this subscription dot filter maybe you can get subscription by topic. I think we can make a function like this: get subscription restriction by predicate filter by predicate. Alright, so we can do filter predicate. So we can do by default is equal null. So basically we can check like this: if predicate can return it, and otherwise we return everything by subscription dot subscription dot okay, so it's map. Okay, pump some kind of command clear or subscription. Get subscription. Okay, so we generate new ID. Cool. So that is how we have a subscription class, and this is B how we do. So now in PubSub we do need to do this. Make sure this dot subscription equal new subscription. Now it's automatically imports by WebSocket, imports file, and we, basically we don't have any parameter in the contract there, so it's empty. It's next time we can pass some kind of, but later, not sure for now. So let's see handle add subscription. So we can simply call this dot subscription dot add. We can do card subscription ID equal add should be first parameter. Let's see add topic and client ID, and type equal default. So first thing we need the topic and client ID. Okay, so so when we do have client ID, where we have an ID right here, so we need to keep an array client, which should be subscription an array like that. Alright, and we do need to remove until they on close. So client disconnect. So we need to make it do handle to do handle remove subscription of the client when they are disconnected. Okay, so that is the idea to do. So we keep subscription and an empty array. Now we need to add new subscription. We can do like this by cos client equals this.get client by ID, client ID. So now we set this client. So if client, so we do need to check it first. And if client, that means client is in connect. So we do need to do client.subscription.puts puts a new ID connection by subscription ID. So we need to put new and again. So now client say set client. No, sorry. This.set add client. Okay. Let's see function client. Really cool. Now again, let's add subscription. Add client. Cool. Now let's see. I'm going to debug right here. And we can do now console log new subscriber here as methods subscription. It should be debug exactly subscription right here. Now I'm going to server restart again. Let's open refresh our index. We have a subwrite topic and methods, and then we got a PubSub on the server side. When we do this, this would handle our subscription. Cool. Now let's refresh browser. Okay, let's open this. I'm going to open the file in in Finder. Open this in my Firefox and open and check in console. So we got from server side is the one we asking for use my ID in connection. Now let's see in our server what we see. New subscriber via add methods. We got topic ABC and client ID and type we got use subscription by WebSocket. So we decided to send to him a message later. Okay, so that is how we handle a subscription. Now, the next thing we need to do is publish. Okay, subscription and publish. To do. Now I will uncomment this code, and now we pops up public a topic name with the message object like this. So who is the subscriber same topic? They should see the message like this. So how we can send to them like that? Here we do in the PubSub. Now we need to do. We got topic called public topic equal get. That should be loaded get function message and payload and topic. Let's see in our class when we send a new public to server with action equal public and payload topic and message. So wow, topic payload topic. Okay, got the public message equal get message and payload those message. Okay, so that is two parameters we have. So I'm going to make a new function by this by if. First thing we need to check this first. So public message public topic. We need to verify, make sure it's as this by default null. So I'm going to do a this dot handle public method. So public method should be the first parameter equal topic. Okay, public topic. The next parameter is called public method, and we need to third parameter is could be from. Who is the from? So card from equal exactly client ID. So handle public method. So we do need to create a new function by this dot handle public method equal this dot by this. Okay, so let's create a new function. The first parameter is handle public methods, topic method, and from topic methods from. Okay, so we do make some comment or handle stand methods to handle public a method to a topic Cool. So we got how do we receive our public or subscriber. So we have when we add we got a subscription topic like this, and we also get subscription. So in this case, now I'm going to get back to PubSub, and we need to got subscription should be an array, should be map equal this.subscription, and subscription object we store in our this subscription in the subscription class. So we can call this to get subscription in our method right here. Get subscription. So we do need pre-k equal like in the card pre we can make inline right here by we need to do to get our subscription by subscription dot we have a topic we get our subscription equal topic equal topic. So we get all the user or subscriber in this topic. So subscription topic sub and waited with sub dot topic. So let me do like by console log all subscription ready in the topic and subscription. Maybe size, and we need to make a size. How many people subscriber this topic? Now let's see. Okay, let's wait for server restart. And now I'm going to check in the index file. We have a public method, and I want to do equal set this. By simpler, we can make a global for window for console access. So we do like window dot ps is PubSub equal PubSub. So exactly this. So that means now I'm going to open it in the Firefox, refresh again. Now I think we should see all subscription ready in the topic number 1. Okay, so cool. So now I'm going to access from the let's do it by ps window.ps, because you know it's ps is we set in ps name. So we can do by subscriber new topic equal abc, and then assets. Now console.log hi. I want to increase my console so you can see it better in my video. Console log, hey, from methods from the topic in console. So empty. Now send this. I think we should see a new subscriber via methods. So as a new client ID, the same client ID. Now I'm going to do equal window dot ps dot publish to abc with the methods like the first equal abc topic, and the method equal hi. There. Now enter it. So we have some new subscriber already equal 2. So 2 people is a subscriber in this map, this in this topic. Okay, so that we how we store our subscriber. Okay, for testing. Now we got this. So we got our subscribers. How do we send? Now let's send to our subscriber in the topic with exactly methods from publisher, like this. So how we do that? And so we got subscription equal store client ID. Client ID exactly we got the WebSocket ID. We can get it by do that by subscription dot for each dot for each. So for each should be subscription and okay. So we loop every subscriber and we do cost client ID equals subscription dot client ID and cost topic. So we don't need topic. So I'm going to make a console log client ID of subscription client ID subscription. So it's a debug and make sure it's everything work. Now we refresh the browser. We should see a new client of subscription exactly ID and subscription topic. Okay, really cool. So we need to do cost price. So maybe it's another time we can be by email, by phone, by anything, or by but for now it's a subscription.price. So now we visit only. We are only handle send via WebSocket. So need to do equal if subscription price equal WebSocket. So we do send it by this dot client. I'm going to do this dot send method send client ID. What about the method? The method it should be from publisher. So we do need to send the method send to client. The method should be like this: action public and payloads should be from topic equal topic from parameter right here and methods exactly methods. Okay, handle public methods topic, and we may have a broadcast equal for The later method is later. This is a broadcast. Broadcast equal, this means we publish a method to everyone but not me. But later method, later we can implement later. For now not. This dot send. Let's check out the method to send. Okay, let's check again with this. Again send. We send the method. Okay, cool. So in this case, now I'm going to refresh again. Now you should see a method from the topic ABC, because you know on the client we have a subscriber got the method from topic ABC. The method either exactly update title, hello there, how are you, public. Okay, so now I'm going to copy the URL and resize it, and I'm going to open in Google Chrome browser and make the resize a bit later right here. So open on different browser. You should see now it's default, and I'm going to clear this. So method from increase result on my console. So you know in the code the bot on Firefox and Chrome subscribe same topic. So now I'm going to open up in Chrome and we can set PubSub by window.ps in .public. We should publish the same ABC, and the method should be structured like this. Hi. Hi Firefox. Now you should see a method in Firefox with the method equal hi Firefox. So and we also on Chrome we should see a method from hi Firefox, because you know we are on Chrome we also supply this method. And now if you want to this is what I notify to do, and when we do set a new parameter on public method is the broadcast. Broadcast is that means we only send to everyone but not me, not send to myself what a method I did public. I'm an owner of the method. I don't want to receive the same method. So we can implement later, but for now let's see it should work. And now in Firefox we can set the window.ps.public new public method to ABC and same to I am Firefox, hi Chrome. So on the Firefox we should see same methods, and Chrome you can see same methods public. Payload with topic I am Firefox Chrome. This really cool. So we got the server methods. Hi. Cool. So let's get back to our client, and I want to remove some console mask, make our console to be more clear what server method is. So we don't need it anymore. Okay, so the next time we do need this when a client is closed. This means client is exists connection. So we do know how to implement this. So we can make a new function by subscription, by remove by ID, or remove by client ID. So basically I can do maybe like this, cost subscription, cost my subscription, okay, user subscription equal this dot subscription dot filter dot get subscription with I subscription we have a client ID. client ID exactly WebSocket connection ID we generate and the ID. So we can do by subscription serve and return subscription dot client ID equal exactly ID. So we are this. So basically we can do by remove subscription.id. We can do by user subscription.for each subscription, and here we got cost ID equal subscription.id and each subscription. Alright, got ID. So I do think we need ID equal ID right here. So this means we can access subscription.id. So now we can do this by subscription.id inside this. Okay. So we need to find user subscription and remove that. So user is not in connect, so we don't need to send anymore. So disconnect. Okay, so cool. And let's see what else we need to. I'm going to do equal broadcast. So for now, let's see again. Now public. We refresh. First thing we do need to refresh everything. And now I'm going to clear my our console and to refresh again. I'm a Firefox. So my target to want to do equal is I want to publish a message, but I don't want to receive this message. So what we can do? So I want to make in client new function equal PubSub dot broadcast and publish. So some comma publish a message to topic, and I want to make a new function equal broadcast topic and message. So what about broadcast? Publish a message to the topic and and send to everyone. Not me. Right. So this can be public and sent to everyone. Everyone and me. So broadcast is the same, but let's copy this. And we send a public action equal broadcast. Broadcast equal. Right, same thing, send action. So broadcast. So get back to our PubSub. We have a new method equal right here, k broadcast. Okay, make sure it's correct. I want to verify equal broadcast. Let's copy and make sure I'm not too. Okay, cool, it's correct. So we can remove to do right here by this cut broadcast topic name equal same thing right here. Let's copy this. It should be the same. And cut broadcast message equal guess exactly the same thing. I do think. Okay, so got from. So for now we do by if broadcast topic name, and then we can call this dot handle public method. It should be the same thing. Public method equal public. I want to use the same function, and we can make a custom and should be broadcast topic name, and the next parameter equal method, and third parameter equal client ID from, and lastly it's equal true, and this is a broadcast. So let's get back to public methods. So by default we broadcast is a broadcast so by default we set it for we got parameter broadcast equal for, that means send or, if true send or not me. So it's a broadcast, so we can make this if subscription dot client ID. We can do like this by for each got subscription, and we can make like this let subscription. No, let subscription if it's a broadcast. So if is a broadcast should be different, and otherwise it's same thing. If broadcast, so now what we do, I want to make a one line of code. So okay, so let's do it to make a different way. So default we find all the subscriber with the topic, but if is a broadcast equal to, and that means we only find all subscriber not me. So this we do is a from, and we can do by this subscription dot equal this dot subscription dot get subscription with filter function by sub, and sub dot topic equal topic and equal, and sub dot client ID equal not me, not equal from. So this is much better for you, can easy to understand. Or I think we can do copy it into one line of code. So is a broadcast, so that is in all the way it does. Okay. Oh, that is a one line of code. Now console log. So let's see now. Okay, so now refresh on my Chrome. Alright, so now I'm going to make clear my R console. And now I'm going to do the first thing, the window window.ps.public. The first method is a public to topic ABC, and the method equal or equal true. So this means on my Chrome you can see the method from topic, and on Firefox we can see the same method. But for now, if I call this function window.ps.broadcast and ABC and or not hi there, I will not see this method coming. Yeah. Now you should see no method show up in my Chrome, and only Firefox receive the method. So hi there, method is coming. This is really cool feature. You can communicate You can make like some like YouTuber, my friend, and say he can use it in my chat application. For example, I want to do like this by window.ph.supply a new room ABC chat room ABC supply with the methods, and we console log to console.log console log so log methods from room. Okay, so we can do by this, by room ABC with new method m. Now supply this, and this case now from here we can do window.ph.broadcast to chat room ABC, the same topic, and here I want to do this by body. You can do it in body body. How are you, Firefox? You should see a method room ABC. How are you, Firefox? And now in Firefox we can do a method by do this window. Okay, so window dot ph.pubsub dot broadcast and to the room. The first thing we need to subscribe on Google Chrome. Subscribe first. Now this is a Google Chrome is not subscribe a new chat room ABC, just broadcast. So now I'm going to try the room ABC chat room ABC, and the method body hi Chrome. It's like that. Hi Chrome. And on Google Chrome, he will not receive because he didn't subscribe a topic. So if you want Chrome to receive the same method on the Firefox, we need to do window.ph.broadcast subscribe to the topic chat room ABC, and the method equal we need to console log a room ABC say m methods. Now so on Chrome, now he is subscribing in the topic. So now again resend it again. You should say see method room ABC say, and cool. Again one more time. It's really cool. And one more thing, let's try to again. So change to public. So now I'm clear on Firefox and clear on Google Chrome. This means both Google Chrome and Firefox will receive the same message. Now chatroom dot publish. Sorry. Dot window dot ph dot publish message chat room ABC with the message body hi Chrome hi Firefox and me. So you should see message received both in Firefox and Google Chrome. Okay, so I will stop video here and hope you enjoy my video. Thank you and see you in the next part. Bye for now.